Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it.
Let me take a moment to thank all my subscribers for subscribing and my viewers for the views. Thank you for sharing, commenting, and like. Much love to you all. From Careface CVP. Did you know this? The word bitch is a noun. Did you know this? A noun is a word that names something, such as a person, place, thing, or idea. Did you know this? A bitch is a female dog, wolf, fox, or otter. Did you know this? Otters are carnivorous mammals in the Bonaparte Leutrinae. Did you know this? Leutrinae is a branch of the Mustelidae family, which also includes weasels, badgers, mink, and wolverines, among other animals. Did you know this? The female parent of puppies is referred to as the dam. Did you know this? The male parent is referred to as the sire. Did you know this? A whelp is a newborn puppy, and giving birth to dogs is called whelping. Did you know this? Dogs commonly give birth in a whelping box, a simple box or pen provided to the dam to help shelter and contain the puppies. Did you know this? When a female dog is ready to breed, it's called being in heat. Did you know this? The average dog will be in heat for 1.5 to 2 weeks, but this can be shorter or longer. Did you know this? Bitch is prerogative word or slang for a person, usually a woman or a girl. Did you know this? It means someone who is belligerent, unreasonable, malicious, controlling, aggressive, or dominant. Did you know this? The word bitch can be applied to a man or boy also, a term for being subordinate, weak, or cowardly. Did you know this? The term bitch is one of the most common curse words in the English language. Did you know this? This sexism word towards women has been used for over 6 centuries. Did you know this? Early as the 15th century, the term was used to control women. Did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about it. Careface CVP.